Okay, finally, there isn't any more customers, so we can finally pack everything up. I can't wait to get
Is the restaurant
home.
still open?
What the Sigma?
No. Gotta hide the evidence. This should do. Actually, never mind. That should do it. You'll get in the van and let's go.
Adrian.
Don't worry guys, this gun puts people to sleep. Permanently. Jimmy, you got a little... Time to close the garage door. Just gotta fix this a little. Time to close the door now.
Michael! No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait!
Oh dang, he got Go Joe. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.